Did you know that artificial intelligence isn't just taking over manual labor, but is now quietly targeting the very structure of corporate hierarchy? Specifically, we're talking about middle management. How is AI achieving this silent coup, and what does it mean for the future of your career? Traditionally, middle managers are the crucial bridge between leadership and frontline employees. They coordinate tasks, track performance, and synthesize reports. They spend countless hours on administrative tasks, data analysis, and ensuring smooth communication across teams. But this is precisely where AI's strengths lie. AI excels at processing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and making predictions with incredible speed and accuracy. Consider routine coordination. AI can now automate scheduling, resource allocation, and even assign tasks based on real-time project needs and employee availability. Performance tracking, traditionally a manager's domain, is being revolutionized. AI tools can monitor KPIs, identify bottlenecks, and flag deviations far more efficiently than humans. Imagine AI-powered project management platforms that not only track progress, but proactively suggest solutions to potential delays. This eliminates the need for constant human oversight. Furthermore, AI can generate comprehensive reports and analytics instantly, feeding crucial insights directly to top executives. This bypasses several layers of reporting. This direct data flow reduces information lag and allows for faster, more data-driven decision-making at the very top. The immediate impact is a flattening of organizational structures. Companies become more agile, with fewer hierarchical layers. This increased agility allows businesses to respond to market changes and innovate at an unprecedented pace. But what about the human element? This shift doesn't eliminate the need for leadership, but it redefines it. Human managers are now free from mundane tasks to focus on complex problem-solving, strategic thinking, and fostering team cohesion. Emotional intelligence, creativity, and empathy become paramount. These are uniquely human traits that AI cannot replicate. This also means new roles are emerging: AI trainers, data ethicists, and prompt engineers who bridge the gap between human intent and machine execution. The challenge for existing middle managers is clear: adapt or be left behind. Upskilling in AI literacy and human-centric skills is no longer optional. Companies that embrace this transition will see unprecedented efficiency. Those that resist risk becoming obsolete in a rapidly evolving landscape. The future of management isn't about eliminating humans, but enhancing their unique capabilities. It's a shift from command and control to coaching and mentorship. This quiet revolution is transforming how we work, lead, and organize. It's a profound reevaluation of what makes a successful team and a thriving business. AI isn't just replacing middle management. It's ushering in an era of hyper-efficient, human-centric leadership. The question isn't if AI will change your job, but how quickly you'll adapt to leverage its power. Stay curious and keep learning. If you found this insight valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to Business Decoded for more deep dives into the future of business and technology.